Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make really tasty cookies. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to add 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of light muscovado sugar and cream it together. Now we need to beat in a tablespoon of golden syrup. Now, gradually add 150 grams of self-raising flour to your mix. At this point, you can add your smarties or raisins into the mix, but I'm going to save mine for decorations. Now add your cookie dough to a lightly floured surface to be rolled out to whatever thickness you want your cookies to be. So using your cookie cutter, cut out as many cookies as you possibly can. Take a butter knife and just gently ease away the excess dough from your cutouts. And don't get rid of this because we'll be rolling it out again to make lots more cookies. So you need to grease your baking tray, or you can put baking parchment on it and then you can put your cookies on. So now for one of my favourite parts, we get to decorate them. So we've got our raisins and our smarties. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees or gas mark 4. Now bake for 10 to 15 minutes. So now that we've taken them out of the oven, we need to put them on the cooling rack. And then once they're fully cooled, we can finish the icing. Now that they've been on the cooling rack for about 10 minutes and they've cooled down, we're going to ice them. Take your icing pen and be as creative as you possibly can.